Show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? It's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the
We open with the judge calling the case of State of Texas versus Amoya Lewis. Right from the start, the charges sound heavy. Possession of a controlled substance. The judge carefully explains the possible punishment, anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in jail, plus up to a $10,000 fine. That's a serious weight hanging over Amoya's head. Backhand index pointing right, viewers. What's your first reaction here? Should first-time possession cases like this carry such harsh penalties, or should the focus be more on treatment than punishment?
court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
We have discussed possible defenses. Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, yes, Judge.
Ms. Lewis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right.
The judge goes through Amoya's rights, making sure she understands everything. This moment is tense. It's like the court is double-checking if she really grasps the risks. Her lawyer assures the judge she's competent, rational, and aware of the charges. Amoya confirms she hasn't been threatened, coerced, or promised anything. This shows us the system is trying to protect fairness, but it also highlights how serious the consequences could still be. Backhand index pointing right, do you think Amoya truly feels in control here, or is she just going through the motions to get it over with?
Right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine to be probated. The state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and a referral to felony drug court. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
No objection, Judge.
All right, state, you may continue to confer. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right.
Now comes the turning point, the plea. Amoya pleads no contest. This isn't an outright admission of guilt, but it does mean she's not fighting the charges. The prosecution recommends deferred adjudication, meaning if she follows the rules, she might avoid a conviction. That's a chance at redemption. Backhand index pointing right, if you were in her shoes, would you risk fighting the case, or take the safer route with a plea deal?
After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
In the interest of justice, we would ask so, Judge, so that the TAP evaluation can commence as soon as practical.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Lewis presents herself here. She's been a pleasure to work with, and once we went over the facts of the case and her options, she accepted the responsibility and wishes to seek assistance so she can start putting this behind her.
All right. Ms. Lewis, do you have any support system?
Yes, ma'am.
Who would that be?
My godmother.
Okay. And where are your mom, your dad?
Currently in California.
Okay. So how did you end up in San Antonio?
My mom brought me here. And
Her attorney speaks up, describing Amoya as cooperative and ready to take responsibility. This moment adds a human layer. It's not just about legal terms. It's about a young woman trying to rebuild her life. The judge asks if she has support, and Amoya mentions her godmother. Family support can be a lifeline in cases like this. Backhand index pointing right, who do you think plays the bigger role in recovery, the courts and probation, or personal support systems like family and friends?
just to finish high school.
Okay, and who did she bring you here to finish high school with?
And just herself.
Okay, why?
She had just exited the military
Mhm.
and wanted to find a place to station, and she was choosing here
All right, and when's the last time you had contact with your mom?
about sometime last month.
Okay. And have you ever had a mental health diagnosis for anything?
Yes.
What for?
Bipolar disorder.
Anything else?
And psychosis.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No.
How old are you?
27.
How far did you go in school?
High school.
Okay. You graduated?
Yeah.
And have you ever had any employment since high school?
Yeah.
Doing what?
Working at a chicken processing unit.
Okay. All right. So how often, well, when did you start using drugs?
Just recently, sometime last month.
All right. This is what the court is going to.
We learn about Amoya's background. Her mom left the military and brought her to San Antonio to finish school. She's 27, graduated high school, and worked in a chicken processing plant. She also reveals diagnoses of bipolar disorder and psychosis. This adds depth. It's not just a drug case, it's about mental health, stability, and opportunity. Backhand index pointing right, do you believe mental health struggles should change how the justice system handles cases like this?
Yeah. Court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That would be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication. A referral to felony drug court while in custody. Because it's Monday, they should be able to get to you this week. And even though, Michael, if you could move out of the line of sight of probation. And even though they may be full, they're about to have a graduation, so there may be some openings, okay?
Okay.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, field visits, one time per month until in treatment, TAP evaluation in custody, MIC evaluation out of custody, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. A referral to Center for Healthcare Services. If she's in felony drug court, they'll take care of that. Probation, I'm sorry, in 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Probation, is there anything, y'all need to get out of the line of sight of probation. All right, probation, is there anything else she needs?
The judge lays out the sentence: a $500 fine, 2 years deferred adjudication, community service, random drug tests, and participation in felony drug court. It's strict but structured to push her toward recovery. The court stresses no working with kids, regular probation check-ins, and proof of employment within 30 days. It's basically a roadmap to either turn her life around or risk falling deeper.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So both defense counsel and the statement that you've had some criminal trespass issues in the past.
Mhm.
If you are homeless, let probation know, because they'll be able to give you some resources that can find a place for you to stay. But you cannot be picking up criminal trespasses. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. In this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, pick up the phone, call your probation officer. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to this court, okay?
Okay,
All right, good luck to you.
thank you.
And
Welcome.
in that regard, would the court happen to have a card so I can give to Ms. Lewis?
Oh, probation is going to speak to her.
Okay,
Yes.
we do appreciate the courtesy extended by the court judge.
Oh, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to see you.
The judge warns her about avoiding trespassing charges if she ends up homeless. This shows the court knows the reality. When people are unstable, they often land in trouble for survival, not crime. The judge makes it clear communication with probation is key. This is one of those tough love moments where the courtroom feels less like punishment and more like guidance. Backhand index pointing, right? Do you think the system is being fair here or piling on too many conditions that could set her up to fail?
I'll take into consideration the new number one, alter and amend conditions to include felony drug courts. And since the new number one is the only violation of allegation, we would withdraw the motion.
All right, but is drug court going to accept her?
Yes, Judge. So she was on the list to be accepted because of the MTR still being active, they wouldn't accept her. So we need to.
All right. Okay. It hasn't come to me. Yeah, I don't have it. All right, thank you.
So judges just want to make sure you're okay with just alternate amending the conditions.
Yes, because I wanted her to be in felony drug court. And the last time we were here, June 27th, I wanted her to be referred to felony drug court. And I guess, as you all were saying, felony drug court technically wouldn't accept her because of the new case. Yes, let's do that. So are we going to take it in consideration and withdraw the motion?
That's our understanding, Judge.
Is that correct?
Well, this is a sticky subject because I'm not sure if we can take it into consideration if she's not being sentenced or if
that's
there's a
true.
judgment. So we might call it further investigation.
All right, so
As
if,
far as I'm concerned, is fair because we still need the drug ID report to begin.
all right, so then they'll dismiss it for further investigation and then we'll withdraw the motion.
Fast forward, the issue of drug court comes back. At first, she wasn't accepted because of pending violations, but now that's cleared, the judge is determined to get her in. You can hear how much importance the court places on this program. Drug court isn't just punishment. It's therapy, structure, and accountability. The judge even says, "I will come to your graduation." That's powerful encouragement from the bench.
Works. It's perfect.
All right, does that work for everyone?
Works for me, Judge.
All right, so felony drug court is a very good program. That's why I wanted you in it, because they'll be able to address any drug issues and also mental health issues. And communication there is very important as well. They have therapists there that will speak to you and hopefully get you back on track. All right. But the same thing applies. If there's issues and you feel like they're not addressing it, which I highly doubt they won't address them, but if you feel like they're not, you can always come back to me. And once you graduate, I will come to your graduation. All right?
It's a really good program. You're going to get a lot of help.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, good luck to you. Do you need anything else?
No, just want to know when I'm gonna be going to the program.
Oh, well, now that you will be automatically accepted because everything, all of the impediments will be out of the way, they will probably contact you either today or tomorrow. And we're going to send the information to them that your case has been taken care of here. So they'll accept you immediately.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
Finally, the court confirms she will be accepted into drug court. The judge reassures Amoya that the program is designed to treat both addiction and mental health. This feels like the hopeful close to a rocky chapter, accountability mixed with opportunity. Amoya thanks the court, and the session wraps